Hey guys, I'm making a video myself. I'm going to drink a lot of soda so I can make humongous burps. I do the most awesome burps. Thanks. Okay, we finished. That's enough soda.
Now eat that drinks.
Oh, I finished it.
Salud. And now you don't drink.
I don't even have anything.
Happy drinking. Salud.
I need some more. Okay. Unfair.
Why would you drink yours? That's for babies. Oh man, I have a little bit. What did I do that for?
Oh,
More drinks.
Dripping on my. Ugh. Ugh. When am I gonna burp?
What more drinks?
We can't have that much drinks. My mom says. Yes, I'm gonna burp soon. 8. Oh no! I make bigger burps, and that one sucked.
Let's play games about this. Salud. Hi.
I can't burp anymore. Come on, I need burp. What's so funny? It's gonna take a while so I can burp.
Hey, I'm not a baby. I'll call you a baby.
I really want to burp. Alright, that's what you want, Bob. Oh no.
Your name's Burpy.
I need to burp.
You want a burpee? Is a burp?
You can't do that. You can't do that. You don't do that to big people. 10 you're 8. Yeah, stop.
So funny.
Yeah, but that hurt. God, she has special needs.
So funny. Burpee guy.
Oh.
Salud.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Soda pops.
Another.
One more.
She's drank it all, and she's not allowed to.
Allergic.
And she's a baby.
Ow.
Sorry.
Don't you die.
Oh, can I fix that shit today?
No, me.
Let's give her more soda.
Why? No, we can't have more soda. My mom said it's unhealthy.
Of course it can. My dad drinks
Slinky.
soda. I'll tell you, Bobby. I can't believe it. It's the funniest thing I ever saw.
Oh, my eye.
Oh, little guy, I was whatever.
Wait a second, just check. I'm reading a call. Shalom. Oh God, she needs a tissue again.
Oh.
Yo.
You do it.
JD, yeah, but I can't get up. I've fallen and I can't get up.
Yes, you can.
No, really, I can't really.
Get up, mister. Don't trick me.
I can't
Get up. Get up. You're a big woman.
I know, but I can't.
Big woman.
No, literally, I can't. I found
Big woman, stand up.
Yeah, but she has boogers. Could you help your cousin?
He's not our cousin.
Yeah, she is actually.
No, he's not. He doesn't look like it. Ah! No, I can't get up, mister.
Miss, actually.
I
can't
fix this.
Slinky.
Oh, pull that.
Hi.
I can't fix it. I'm sorry, Slinky. Ow, my neck hurts. Okay, I was trying to burp, but I can't. I drank as much soda as I can.
You little girls don't burp.
Can't. I'm 10.
Burps do that, girl.
I'm 10. I can't burp, but I just don't want it right now.
Hi.
Okay,
Oh,
Dad.
Shasta, look at you. Ow, why do you keep on doing that? She's in special needs. Please help me.
Boo, it's just you.
No, it's you. Oh, God, no.
This is not my house. This is your
I
house.
know, but you keep on disrespecting me, and I'm 10 years old and you're 8. I'm older than you. You gotta
Because 8 is little. Mr. Boycott, get out of here. Girls only.
Mess in my room. Mess in my
Get
room.
out of here. Girls only. Get out of here.
Could you go, Jen? Get out of my room.
You're jinxed. And they're calling you Jerky time. Jinx time. Jinx. Oh, I call you Jinx. Come on, Jinx. Get out of here. Get out of here. No. Oh, man. Boys. Oh, what? Oh, what?
Get up out of the door. Help me. I have to do this. I have to deal with this every day. My brother intruding my space. Even at play dates, my friend comes over, we have to hide here in my room. Every day. You're coming! You're coming!
Get out of here!
The door. Oh, this is the closet door.
No boys, girls only.
Wanna say hi, Didi?
Yeah. Oh, get that call.
My baby cousin's the one playing with the Slinky.
Because he likes to play with the Slinky.
Slinky. Shanti, can I fix that? Okay? Just gotta fix it, okay?
Why?
I just gotta fix the Slinky. Cause look what you did. I'm just gonna fix it, okay? That hurt, Shanti. See that? You don't get it. Sorry. I'm sorry, Shanti. Ow. That does hurt, Shanti. Ow! 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 It does hurt. Slinky's hurt. Alright.
Slinky is her. I played that with my baby sister.
Wait, Tiffany. Please don't let go. Please don't let go. Please don't let go. Please don't let go.
Oh.
Ow! No.
I know you fell for that. He said, ow! Why that hurt my finger? I like it. Do it. Hurt your finger. I like it. It ruined your Slinky.
Thank you very much. Wait, Chastity, I'm gonna fix this. Fixing! Wait, guys. No!
When I laugh on the juice, sometimes I can have a backup.
Okay, I'm just fixing. Hey, you fell for it. You can't hurt me. No, you're gonna hurt me. If you hurt me, I'm telling on you.
No, you can't. Can't tell on babies.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. Can't tell on babies. You never tell babies. Also tell you.
Yes, I finally did it. Yeah, Louisa, Chastity.
You ruined your blanket.
She hit it at me.
I never fixed the Slinky. Come on, let's play a game on your iPod.
Maybe because of
Have you seen my Nintendo?
Oh, I think you left it in the closet.
Change the
Do it.
color.
No, I know. My room is a mess. Slinky turned out like this. Piece of garbage now.
Thank goodness I lost you.
My room is a humongous so messy, yo.
Oh man, you're a messy.
You did it, not me.
It's funny. Wow, we're having a party. Parties are cool.
Parties are annoying.
It makes me laugh.
I like parties, but you ruined my room. My mom's gonna kill me and murder me, and then she'll bring me back to life so I can clean my room.
Don't worry, we can clean it up.
I know that, but she doesn't believe me. She believes that it was all my fault, and then she'll murder me, and then she'll do stuff, unexpected stuff that you won't understand until you're older. But because your moms don't do the same,
I'm not.
they're not.
Old. You're old.
Yes, I know I'm old. Well, I'm not that old. I'm just 10. It's not like I'm.
Just 10. You're a bigger person now.
I know.
Come on, let's get out of here.
I live with people.
Come on, let's get out of here.
People that will murder my life. Yes! 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 Close the door! Freedom. See, I fixed this part. At least I fixed this part. Slinky. I really need help. I'm gonna go now. Ugh. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna make another video. Trying to fix this Slinky. Well, bye.